Click on Start, type Command Prompt, then right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Now, inside Command Prompt, carefully type these exact commands one by one. Pressing Enter after each, these commands reset winsock, rebuild TCP IP stacks, clear your DNS cache, and renew your IP. Once done, close the window and restart your computer. But we're not done yet. Now we'll manually change your DNS server to a high-speed public one. Go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Right-click on your active connection, usually named Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and choose Properties. Inside the list, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and click Properties. Now choose Use the following DNS server addresses and type. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Then check the box that says Validate Settings upon exit and hit OK. And if you found this useful, hit that subscribe button.